Hello guys, let's make a quick snack. Take a pan and add 2-3 tablespoons of ghee. Once it melts, add chopped jaggery and let it heat slowly. Keep stirring till it melts into a smooth glossy consistency, just like this. And now add a pinch of salt, a pinch of black pepper and some sesame seeds. Mix everything for a minute, then add makhana and coat it really well with the jaggery mixture. Let it cool down for a few minutes and that's it. Your crispy, healthy jaggery makhana is ready to enjoy.